In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Ecwid, one of the best platforms for this purpose. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a creative looking to share your work with the world, Ecwid provides a seamless way to set up and manage your online store. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through the process of selling digital goods, ensuring you're up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to access your account. Open your browser and navigate to ecwid.com. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to sign up, otherwise log into your existing account. This is your starting point for managing all aspects of your digital sales. Once logged in, it's time to set up your store. Head over to your dashboard and click on Settings, followed by General. Here, you can name your store and determine essential regional settings like currency and language. These settings are critical as they determine how your store will be presented to potential customers worldwide, so choose them carefully to match your target audience. Next, let's add your digital product to the store. From the dashboard, go to Catalog, then click on Products, and finally hit the plus Add New Product button. This is where the magic happens. Start with the product name. Let's say you're selling an Instagram template pack. Be sure to include a detailed description highlighting the benefits and potential applications of your product. A clear, enticing description can significantly impact your sales by helping potential buyers understand exactly what they are getting. Set the price for your digital product and upload a corresponding image or preview. Visuals are important because they give your customers a sneak peek at what they're buying, which can enhance interest and trust. Since this is a digital product, remember to uncheck the Requires Shipping and Pickup option. Digital products are immediately downloadable after purchase, so there's no need for shipping logistics. Now that your product is set, it's time to connect a payment method. Navigate to the payment section of your dashboard. Ecwid offers various payment gateways, including Stripe and PayPal. Choose the one that's best for you and follow the prompts to set it up. This step is crucial as it enables a smooth transaction process for both you and your customers. Once everything is in place, it's time to publish and promote your store. Ecwid provides several options for this. You can embed your store on your website or share direct links on your social media profiles. Additionally, Ecwid integrates seamlessly with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, allowing you to extend your reach and connect with more potential customers. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up and selling digital products on Ecwid. By following these steps, you can efficiently get your products in front of a global audience. Remember, the key to success is not just in creating great digital products, but also in how effectively you manage your store and engage with your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.